Good morning, students. Today our topic is ABCD parameters. Okay, so this is the last topic in two-port network. Okay, so we discussed about Z parameters, that is nothing but impedance parameters, admittance parameters, as well as H parameters, hybrid parameters. This is the last topic in two-port network. Okay, so we will once again we will revise. So first topic is the Z parameters, impedance parameter. So in that V1 V2 are the V1 V2 are the V1 V2 are the dependent parameters. Okay, so I1 I2, so I1 I2 are the independent parameters in case of Z parameters. Okay na. And next one is the Y parameters. So in Y parameters we took that I1 I2 are the dependent parameters and V1 V2 are the independent parameters. Okay, so in admittance parameters I1 I2 currents are dependent parameters, V1 V2 are the independent parameters. Okay na, in admittance. And the third topic is H parameter. So in H parameter we took that V1 I2. Okay, so we expressed equations V1 I2 in terms of V2 and I1. Okay, so just we have to remember all three key points. Okay, so this is Z parameters. In Z parameters we took that V1 V2 are the dependent parameters. Okay, and I1 I2 are the independent parameters, as well as in admittance parameters I1 I2 are the dependent parameters. Okay, V1 V2 are the independent parameters. Once again H parameter, it contain V1 and I2. Okay, so V1 equation and I2 equation. So this is the last topic, ABCD parameters. Already we discussed about what is the main use of these parameters. Okay, two-port network. So the main use is nothing but to analyze or to solve the problems of circuits. Okay, or to find out some constants in circuit, resistance, voltage, okay, conductivity. So how to solve these problems by using two-port network, Z parameters, okay, all these parameters. So last one is ABCD parameter. Okay na. So in this ABCD parameter also called as a chain parameters. So these ABCD parameters also called as chain parameters. Okay, so chain parameters or general circuit parameters. Okay, so this is another name, general circuit parameter. So this is another name of ABCD parameter. Okay, so ABCD parameter another name is the chain parameter or general circuit parameter. Other name also, it is also called as a T parameter also. Okay, so here another name is T parameters. Okay, so next we have to observe this diagram. This is a two-port network. Okay, so this is a two-port network. Okay, we know that I1 is the input current, V1 is the input voltage. So I2 is the output current and V2 is the output voltage. So this contains two ports. This is the input port, this is the output port, so that it is called as a two-port. Okay, so 1 dash is the one port and 2 dash is the another port. So this circuit contains two ports, so that it is called as a two-port network. Okay, so here ABCD parameters. So here what is the use? What is the main use of ABCD parameters? Okay, so the main use of ABCD parameters are to solve the problems of transmission lines. Okay, so to have to solve the problems of transmission lines. Transmission line. Do you know the transmission line? So what is the meaning of transmission line? Okay, so transmission lines nothing but, so these lines nothing but to propagate the or process the current. Okay, sending the current, so that is called the transmission line. Example, current waves. Okay, so current is produced from source. Some example, KTPS. Okay, so these current is passing through the or propagated through the wires. So circuits, that wires is called as a transmission line. The main use of transmission line, transmit or sending the current or processing the current. Okay, so the process of sending the current or to propagating the current is called as a transmission line. Just nothing but example, transmission line. Okay, so by using ABCD parameters we will find the constants in transmission line by using ABCD parameters. Okay, so here first point, how we will find out the ABCD parameters. So here in this we write V1 I1. So V1 I1 is equal to A V2 and B I2. Okay, and here C V2 into D minus D into I2. Okay, so these are the equations in ABCD parameters. I mean, input voltage, input current expressed in terms of output voltage and output current. Okay, once again I am repeating, V1 and V2, input voltage and input current. Input voltage and input current expressed in terms of output current and output voltage. Okay, so that we write as V1 is equal to AV2 minus B into I2, and I1 is equal to CV2 minus D into I2. Okay, so when we observe two equations, V1, V2 and I2. Okay, na V2 and I2, V2 and I2. So here why we use this negative sign? Okay, why we are using this negative sign means, so here input and output currents are opposite, so that we are using negative sign. Okay, na? So these are the two equation, or we will write as in the matrix forms also. V1 I2 is equal to A B C D into V2 into I2. Okay, so this is a matrix form of the ABCD parameters. Okay, na? So these we are using these terms A B C D, so that it is called as ABCD parameters. Okay, so next one, how we will find out, how we will get the values of A B C D. Okay, na? So from this case 1 when I2 is equal to 0, I2, so this I2 0 substitute in above equation. From this V1 is equal to A V2, so this I2 term becomes 0, so that we get V1 is equal to A into V2. From this A is equal to V1 by V2. Okay, so this is called as a reverse, this is called as reverse voltage gain, reverse voltage gain. Okay, na? So this is called as a reverse voltage gain. We know that output voltage by input voltage called as a gain, voltage gain. So here reverse, so that V1 V2, so that it is called a reverse voltage gain. So next one, this I2 substitute in second equation. From this equation I1 is equal to 0, so I2 term becomes 0. So C into V2, from this C is equal to I1 by V2. Okay, so actually this is a admittance. We know that admittance or conductivity, current by voltage called as a admittance or conductivity. So this is called as a reverse transfer admittance. Reverse transfer admittance. Okay, na? Reverse transfer admittance. Okay, why we call reverse means, so this I1 to V2. Okay, na? Actually current passes from I2, but here current passes through from I1, so that reverse I1 to V2, so that it is called as a reverse transfer admittance. Okay, so next case 2, next one is the case 2. So here we substitute V2 is equal to 0, so when we substitute V2 is equal to 0 in above equation, then we get from V1 equation, V1 is equal to this V2 term becomes 0, V1 is equal to minus B into I2. Okay, so from this B minus V1 by I2. Okay, so this is the value of B. So here it is called as a reverse transfer impedance. Okay, na? So this is called as a reverse transfer impedance. Why we call reverse transfer impedance means, so actually what is the impedance formula? V by I, or resistance V by I. Okay, so this is the impedance, but this impedance started from V1 to I2, so that it is called as a reverse transfer impedance. Okay, so next this V2 substitute in second equation, I1 equation, this V2 term becomes 0. So from that equation I1 is equal to minus D into I2. Okay, minus D into I2. From this value D is equal to minus I1 by I2, Okay, so we know that output current by input current called as a current gain. If you take the voltage, output voltage by input voltage called as a voltage gain. So here gain, but not input by output, so that it is called as a reverse. It is called as reverse output gain, output gain or current gain, reverse current gain. Okay na? So it is called as a reverse current gain. So this is the information about the ABCD parameters once again. So this is the last topic in two-port network. Okay, so ABCD parameters are also called as the chain parameters or general circuit parameters or T parameters. Okay, just we have to draw this diagram. Two-port network, I1, V1, I2, V2, same all circuits. So this diagram is same. So V1, I1, V1 by V1, I1. So I mean, so it gives the relation between input parameters to output parameters. Okay, so once again, this is a sending end. Okay, this is called as a receiving end. Okay, so this is an input port, or this one is a sending end, this one is called as a receiving end. So input parameters expressed in terms of output parameters. Okay na? Input parameters V1, V2 are the input parameters expressed in terms of output parameters. Just we write as A V2 minus B I2. Okay na? So when we observe two equation V1, V2, I2, V2, I2. Okay, so next one, this is a matrix form, and next one, this one is a case one. Just we take case 1. Okay, I2 is equal to 0. Then we get two constant A and C. Okay, this A V1 by V2 called as the reverse voltage gain. Okay, now C I1 by V2. So this is called as a reverse transfer admittance. Okay, now and case 2, just we substitute V2 0. Then we get B value and D value. Okay, so B is equal to V1 by minus V1 by I2, and D is equal to minus I1 by I2. So this is called as a reverse current gain. Okay, so this is the information about the ABCD parameters. Very simple and very easy circuits. Okay, so but very important question for final exam. Thank you.